Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a BeeBeeCraft unboxing. They sent me a second box with a few products that they'd like me to review. So let's have a look and see what they've sent me in this one. The first one I see here is a Panda Haul Elite, and it looks like we have a kit here. Let's just have a look and see. And this is by their brand. It says BeeBeeCraft.com. Here it is, all open. It is an earring kit. Now let's see. We have gold, silver, and the brass. And this is what it looks like. I love that circle tray. Love that it comes already with the circle round cabochon domes that you can put in there. These will be super fun to play with and craft with. So join me in the future for some craft with me session using some of these items. Here is the second item they sent. It is a leaf die cut. I like that there's a single one here that you can use, and you have this full stem with all these leaves. And look at the third item, they're flowers. And I love that they come in different sizes. This will be perfect for layering. So I'm excited to actually use these two together. The fourth item that I see here, the first box they had sent me a wax seal. I'm guessing this is a wax seal as well. Let's see. Beautiful. It is a floral wax seal with a hydrangea. Like, that is so gorgeous. We'll have to try this out, and I'll be posting that soon with some of our wax seal. I just purchased some from Amazon recently, but this is beautiful. I hope you guys can see that. And I see one more item here that they've included. Look at this bag filled with these beautiful filigree style little embellishments here. So let's take them out and see what these are. So, wow, look at these. They are beautiful. These would make wonderful accent pieces on like any artwork or like a journal. These are so pretty. I love that they have different shapes. Let's see, so I can show you. Wow, I hope you guys see this. Let me just move the bag, and then we'll put this box here so you can see the color. Actually, it's fine. There it is. We have some butterflies, and wow, just a variety. So many pieces here. Let me just see if there are others. Look how many these are. It says it might have 100 pieces. Oh my goodness. So here we go. They're pretty light. They're not heavy, but these are so nice. I would love to use this in a junk journal and just dress up some of your art pieces. If you are doing mixed media, these are perfect for that. Here are more of those floral. I love filigree. Oh my gosh. And then here's one. It's a little bent, but really nice owl. Look at that. And it looks like you can use this also for jewelry as a pendant. Here's the owl, so you can see it better. Like a little pendant. You see a little hoop here and some like little trays here where you can put some pearls or beads. Here's another one. So we have a good variety in different sizes. Here's another one that's a little different from the ones we've been seeing. This one is really pretty as well. And then we have a leaf. I see more leaves here, so I can show you the different looks to that. That's so. And we have these. This is really pretty too. Look at that. It has a very delicate feel to it. That's really pretty. I love. And we have a few more of these roses. So this pack comes with a good number of these pieces that you can definitely use, and you can design. You can even dress up a bag and kind of stitch these. That looks like fun. So here it is. There is quite a lot. So I'm just going to see if we can focus on some of the pieces here in the center. I love this one. Look at this. It has some hearts all around it. That's so pretty. So now, just kind of a recap of what we see here in this bag. We have this shape and just a good variety of different looks and designs in this filigree bag. That's really pretty. I also like this one. Sorry, that's out of frame. And then we have this other piece. I love that it has that vintage look to it. This is awesome. And we have this. We also have a beautiful butterfly. And one of the first ones that I pulled out was this beautiful rose. Hope you guys enjoyed this BeeBeeCraft unboxing. Join me for future Craft With Me videos. Let's play around with some of these wonderful items and see what we come up with. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.